Okay, so content creators, they're burning hours in Notion and ChatGPT. They're chasing prompts that just are never going to scale. So while others are already shipping smarter videos and blogs much faster, what's the difference? It's tools, and these are tools that are built for creators like you or DevOps like you. So if you've tried adding AI to your content workflow, you're all gonna know the struggle, right? It sounds amazing, like, wow, look how fast I can do this, up until you're wrestling with prompts for 2 hours. So meanwhile, smart creators, they're already cutting video research time in half, and they're publishing twice as much content with the same team. So it's not like your work is getting simpler, it's that you're creating more work and being more productive. So this month, the company called Make, they released AI tools in beta. Drag and drop modules. That's right, I said that. Drag and drop modules that do all your heavy lifting. For example, think about this. You can actually go online, you can go to YouTube, and you can turn 500 YouTube comments into video topic ideas with just one drag and drop. Or you can automatically translate your most popular video scripts for all your international audiences. There's no prompting required. Again, it's point and click content intelligent, not just another AI subscription. And for video content creators, this is a game changer, because imagine automatically scanning competitor videos for trending topics or turning podcast transcripts into 10 short form video scripts in simply minutes. Your audience research becomes automated, your ideation becomes data-driven, and that's how you stay ahead of trends instead of chasing them all around town. After all, this is how I figured out what's trending this week on these videos. So we're moving from manual content creation to AI-assisted content systems. And creators like you who build these workflows now, they're gonna have a much greater creative advantage over all their competitors and just can't match it. One thing that I'm gonna keep track of, instead of keeping all my video scripts and ideas under one Google Doc inside a folder, is I'm gonna use this Make app and see how it works. And for you guys, what is it that you're looking to start to automate with your Make platform? Let me know, click down below. Hey, if you like this video, let me know. Click the like button. And of course, if you feel that this video has brought you some sort of value and we've earned your trust, go ahead and subscribe and we'll send you more videos. They're really quick, they're really short, and as always, we have 2 more videos for you. This video right here is going to tell you how Microsoft is implementing a tool that's going to turn your website into an AI conversation very easily. The one down below, I've secretly picked just for you. Click that one, and we'll see you in the next video.